make this video for couples. I'm gonna label this a couples video. If you're just sitting at home bored and you don't know what to do, go spend 10 grand on a bike. Hey, you know what though? Realistically, we started with 2 $600 bikes. And I mean, that got us what, our first 2 years? Right? So that's not 2 years for 1,200 bucks for 2 bikes. That's right. And then we bought this beast, and now it's just been awesome. We're like almost halfway there. This goes all the way. If you wanted to, we could go all the way out to where the chip truck is on Highway 7 at Caladar. Yeah, it goes out to Cloyne, which is north of that, but you can duck off a trail to the south of it. I think it comes out right at the chip truck there on Highway 7. But yeah, this just goes all the way right across. Oh, careful. Okay, so you see as far as you can see up there, that wall of mountain. Whoa, go slow in this corner. It's ice. That big wall of like mountain, that's where we're going. And believe me, it seems closer right now looking at it than it actually is. We'll still be going in 5 minutes going, really? Have I gotten any closer? It's a long rip. I'm gonna do this summer at nighttime. This would be a nice night rip. Like it's only really that bad right now because the corners are icy. If the corners weren't icy, this is a nice trail. You can go along at a decent pace, like. I just got to keep reminding myself to watch these corners for oncoming traffic. I'm always like hogging the middle of the trail. Couples video. If you're a couple and you're just chilling at home looking for something to watch, tune into the Mud Monster and we will keep you entertained for the next 20 minutes. Whoa! Yeah, hit your brakes before you get to that corner. Whoopsie. Some of this is going to be flooded over in the next couple of weeks, it looks like. Once these like back sections start melting off more and it runs through. I bet Rock Candy Mountain's just a disaster right now. There's no way we're going through it, just saying. Yeah, no. It's a half mile of like snorkel deep water. A quarter of a kilometer anyways. You'll see when we get there, it's long and dirty. If there was like a whole bunch of other people here to like, no, there's no way down. Just with two of us on fucking little Hondas. Whoa, that was awesome. Oh. See, it doesn't look any closer. I wonder how my camera battery is. Well, I wouldn't hear it even if it did. The beeps are so low tone. Or low volume anyway. I believe that's the trail to Deer Rock Lake. Somewhere off to the right here anyways. One of these little trails goes back there. Whoa! That was awesome! That was so much deeper than it looked. I don't know. I don't know if it's for the utility guys, like the hydro guys, or if it's like, whoa, shit. If it's like camps. Whoa! Yeah, we might not be going through this. That's deep. That's like real deep. Shit. Yeah, it's like flooded out. No sudden movements. Fuck. Just stay right in those tracks. Shit. Yeah, just stay right in those tracks. Nice and easy. You're gonna break through at the end. It's a drop, but well, then we have to winch through it, I guess. That's awesome. Hang on. We're just gonna go right through this on the way back. Right through here. Because it's gonna be melted more by the time we come back, and that's gonna be a big shelf to climb. Like that drop in right there, we're gonna have a hell of, we're gonna break it all apart trying to climb back up. Whoop. Oh shit, no, we'll get stuck in this too, maybe. It's bad. We can try it, but regardless, we're stuck on this side now anyway. Worst comes to worst, we'll go over to Calidar and down Highway 7. Well, do you want to go or do you want to turn back? Regardless, we're gonna have to fight and break through that anyway, so it'll make a cool video. Okay? Wow, that's cool. Yeah, eh? You're nuts. We're not going in a tube. You're insane. I don't want to die. Oh, there's a helicopter. That's cool. Right there. That's kind of sketchy. I don't know. Yeah. I don't know. I'm not going underneath that though, not the way it's twirling around. Well, I don't know what they're doing, so I don't know. I don't know. That's scary. That's pretty random. Yeah, that's certainly random. Right? Right at Rock Candy Mountain? A helicopter landing at Rock Candy Mountain. Yes, sir. You saw it here in the Mud Monster. That's awesome. See if we can get a wave out of him, guys. Hello, helicopter pilot. Good day to you, sir. That is pretty cool. I don't know. That's awesome. That was cool. Why is there a helicopter landing at Rock Candy Mountain? I don't understand this. Here we go. This is Rock Candy Mountain. I'm not crossing through there. There's a way around. I'm definitely not going through it. Well, that's chest deep water, like underneath the ice.